everyone, this is the 13th learning material in the lecture series of Programming in C language. This is our special hands-on video and we will be discussing using IDE and mobile apps for coding. Friends, this may be a totally new topic and concept for you. So the first thing we will see is what are we looking for? Traditional and actual way of learning any programming language is to use the computer system and a powerful CPU. But in case of learning a language at the basic steps, nowadays there are few mobile apps are also available on the internet which we may use. These apps will give a feeling of similar environment and helps to learn with the least possible resources and cheaper facilities. We are looking for the IDE, that is Integrated Developed Environment, which have few algorithms running behind which helps the student to learn easily. From number of apps available, we are looking for those apps which are able to provide the maximum similarity in between the computer and the app. The very first application we are going to learn about is CPP Droid. Let's have some information about this mobile application. It is a Linux-based IDE, includes auto-completion for the brackets, includes auto spacebar alignments which lead to a good modular program. GCC compiler is emulated in the app. As it is a Linux-based IDE, it uses the line-to-line type of output mode. Graphics is not accessed in the app. Okay friends, now we are little familiar with the concept of IDE and also its supporting application CPP Droid. Okay, to use this application in your mobile phone, we must get familiar with the features of the application and how to use it for programming purpose. So the very first step is to download and install the application from the Play Store. After the installation process is complete, you will open the application. Students, make sure that you have internet connection with you during the whole process. The very first thing you will see is the process of extraction, which will start automatically. Wait till the app completes the extraction process by itself. After the extraction process is completed, you will see the process of downloading also will start automatically. Wait till the app completes the downloading process by itself. Now that we have downloaded and installed the CPP Droid application completely, we will move and see some features of this application. We will see some of the options available for the users in this application. The very first thing you will see is the editor window. It is used to write or to copy the C program. Then the message window to get the idea about errors present in the program, if any. Save button to save the programs with the user-defined names. Compile button to compile the programs and check if there are any errors or not. Run button to run the corrected programs and check the output. Menu button for other options. Friends, to get more handy with the CPP Droid application, we must perform a very simple but yet the most famous program of every programming language. Let's write a test program. It is a traditional first program of every programming language known as the Hello World program. Type the exact program in the editor window that is written in the blue callout box. Click on the Save button. Click on the Menu button. If you can't see whatever you are typing, then click on the little arrow present over the side of Analysis tab. After that, click on Project. Click on Save As. Click on to Device. Click on the up arrow till the SD card's location gets set. Click on the new file. Write whatever name you want to give to the programming without using the space bar. For example, project1.c. Then click on the compile button. If there are no error, then click on the run button. You will see one output window. It uses to see the output of the program. After this procedure, click on the home button to exit the app. At this point, if whatever the programmer has written in the double quotes in the printf command is displayed as the output, then the app is working nicely. Always after writing the program, first of all save the program with the name of your choice before the compilation. The second mobile application which we can use for writing C program is Turbo C Droid. Let's get familiar with this application also. It has Windows system-based IDE. There is no auto-completion for any aspect. Spacebar has to be placed as per the programmer's wish. It really helps to learn the language without the help of the app, but it will not give the Linux touch of using the command line. The emulated compiler is not the standard GCC. As it is window-based IDE, it has screen type of output mode. Graphics can be accessed. Friends, similar process you will follow for the TurboC Droid app. You will download and install this application for your mobile from Play Store. After downloading and installation, open the app and wait till the app completes the process by itself. You will see this symbol and some process will start automatically. Now that we have downloaded and installed the TurboC Droid application completely, when you will open this app, you will see the program named colors.cpp will be opened automatically. Now we will move and see some features of this application. Menu pane contains all the necessary menu items. Then we have editor window to write or copy the C program. Shortcut pane contains some hotkeys to select option. Buttons pane contains some necessary buttons. Mouse pad used as the mouse pad. Let's see other options one by one. Click on the compile option. You will see this pattern. Let the program finish the execution and stop. Move your finger back and forth in the empty space designated as the mouse pad. You can see the cursor on the editor window is moving. Use the mouse pad to take cursor wherever you want to take it throughout the programming. Keep in mind that the cursor and the writer are two different controls. See the editor window carefully. The vertical line is cursor and the horizontal blinking line is the writer. Single tapping on the screen works like the enter key. Double tapping on the mouse pad will take the writer at the point where the cursor is situated at that moment. Close the current window. Maximize the size current window. Click on the file. Click on the new. Friends, to get more handy with the CPP Droid application, we must perform a very simple but yet the most famous program of every programming language. Let's write the test program. It is a traditional first program of every programming language known as the Hello World program. Type the exact program in the editor window that is written in the blue callout box. Click on the keyboard to write it. Click on the file, click on the save as. Write whatever name you want to give to the program without using the space bar. For example, program1.cpp, etc. Click on OK. Click on the compile option. Check for the errors, if any. Read those errors. Try to correct. Click on the compile options. Eliminate all the errors. It says error 0. Click on run. If after removal of all the errors, also if the output is not appearing on the screen, then click on the window. Click on the output. This screen will be displayed. Again click on the window. Click on the cascade. Take the cursor on editor window and tap single time. Click on the run. You can see the output here. At this point, if whatever the programmer has written in the double quotes in the printf command is displayed as the output, then app is working nicely. Click on the file. Click on quit. This screen will be displayed. Click on keyboard. Type exit on the screen. Click enter key. This will close the app. Thank you. Here we have finished the theory part of this subsection.